Yeah, grab it. Hey, gonna fall and die. All right. Hey team, you guys know I love taking care of the pool and keeping it looking real nice. And we've gone through some different cleaners to try to find the one that works the best. You know, we started off with a Hayward Blue, which is the regular vacuum that has a hose. Then we upgraded to the Aiper battery-powered robot cleaner, and it's huge. I mean, it doesn't have that giant hose you got to always remove before you go swimming. But Aiper has come up with a new cleaner that we're going to give a shot. It has a floating battery pack. So, and it has many other features as well. So today, we're going to put the old cleaners aside, although this one we've already put aside a long time ago, and we're going to get to work on the new Aiper 3000 cleaner. Let's get to it. The Aiper Seagull 3000 cleaner. It was very exciting. You guys know I love unboxing everything. There's the unit itself. Yeah, buddy. All right. So here is the upper unit. You can see the power cord is going to come right in here, and our control panel, and we're going to need to charge. So we got the charger. So we're going to fully charge it before we go ahead and we're going to fully charge it before we put it in the pool. But the control panel is here. Now the other control panel, of course, is going to be on your phone. Take a peek at the bottom unit that actually does the work, and you could see this thing is robust. This is a nice unit. Very nice. So, I mean, the Aiper I have it has only a very small agitator on the bottom. This has two huge agitators here that actually rotate, and they're made of like this rubber material, so they stir up the dirt and debris on the bottom and get algae off, and then of course get sucked in to the unit itself. This is a nice, I mean, this is a top of the line unit, let's face it. This is top of the line stuff. So this is going to be where the jets are coming out, right here. So the propulsion is going to be from the agitators. So taking a look on the inside, there's two locking mechanisms here, and obviously we push to unlock. It's so simple, and then it just open sesame, and here's the there's two of them actually, cleaning bays where the debris goes with these filters. And then you can see in there where the suction pulls up the debris into the cleaning bays. The control panel is right here, so you can change the different modes. Now you can see it has a mode for only cleaning the floor, has a mode for cleaning only the walls, and it has a mode that it does both. we're going to start out with trying both. So you can start it here, and the on-off switch is here. Everything on the floating unit allows you to have control of the unit while it's still on the surface, which is nice. So you don't have to pull the main unit up to control what you have this guy doing. What's interesting is you can download the Aiper app and actually take charge of this unit, like control it like it's a robot, and vacuum where you want to vacuum. I'm not going to get into the app, even though it's a very large part of this. I'll perhaps do another video about the app and the abilities, but as you can imagine, the app gives you considerable control over the unit and information on the unit. Alrighty, this is the first time, guys. We'll see how this thing goes. It's gonna be real interesting. We're locked here, and then I'm just gonna set it in there. Like, now you're supposed to let the bubbles get out of it before you turn the power on. I'm not really sure how exactly you do that. It doesn't look like it's necessary. I mean, I guess you could tilt it sideways, but it seems like it sinks pretty good. So here we go with this. You just set this in here. Okay, so power it on. I have it on all. So let's stick with the all. And then we're just gonna hit the start button. And then let's see what this bad boy does. It's coming, man. What? Are you kidding me? This guy's puppy.
It's really cute. Really want to sniff. I think he's like, can I go now? Can I go? He's like, can I go now?
Nah. I wish he would. You want to check out the machine, eh?
Sure.
Oh, it's so cool. It's been pretty good, this machine. And this part stays dry, so I don't know how, we'll see how it holds up in the sunlight over time. Pretty good machine though. It definitely cleans up the pool good. So what do you think?
Ow, my face.
You're gonna fall and die. Alright, I am going, while you're doing that, I'm gonna empty the filter. It says you can do it. Okay, so it's off. I don't know if you guys can see it. I hit the off button. I hit the off button, and you can do it in the water, it says. So I'm gonna do it right here. Unlock it. Let's see how much stuff. Oh yeah, look at the dirt. So it actually gets quite a bit of debris. Look at all that. That's just one of them. Let me put this back in. Oh, both of them. And it gets all the dirt and hair. And it was clean. The pool was clean before I put it in. So it works real good. I'm gonna let it finish running until the battery poops out. And then I'll clean the filters completely. Oh, I don't know if I have it aiming right. Could see it. Turn it on. We're gonna go to just the floor and hit start. And then it should go.
I can't.
What are you up to anyway?
Hey man, what's up? Well, she's just talking right in front.
So after taking that little float thing off, I put it back in, and obviously it's fine. But you can see, look, it comes all the way up anyway. You could drive it up top. Oh. Oh. But look at that, it scrubs. I mean, you still probably got to clean the top, but it scrubs the pretty good, the walls. Don't let your wolf chew on it though. So the instructions say not to use the power cable to pull it up, but apparently that, you know, is for if you're outside of the pool, because it's a heavy unit. Use the handle on it there. But when you're pulling it out, and I'll do it when it's done, you can pull it out with this because it doesn't have much weight to it. And that seems to be just fine. Grab it. So the only reason I did the floaty was because I didn't think that you were supposed to use the cord, but apparently as long as it's in the water, it's fine. So we just turn it off, simple as that, and pull the battery out. So the battery just comes out like this, and then you just pull it up, and till you get the handle. It's really, there's nothing to it. There's no pressure on it or anything like that. But I wouldn't pull it out by the cable. You know, pull it out by the handle, and it works just fine. And then you're done. Bring it over and charge it for the next run. Simple as that. There we go. Put this out of here so it's not appealing to puppies. And let it go. So it's green. Alright guys, you know what, I'm gonna just put the app control stuff in this video as well. So let's go ahead and do this together. This is my first time with this, so bear with me. But you know, just like I normally do, I just put the unit in, it's charged. So we're gonna put it in, let it sink, which it does reasonably quickly, and there she goes. All right, and then we'll power on here. We'll let it climb the wall. You know what, let's turn it off the walls for the purposes of this one here. I'm gonna put it on just the floor. We hit start, and there it goes. Okay, so you know, I personally am an automated type of guy, like things to just do its stuff, but a big part of it is that you can control the unit remotely, and let's see how that works together. So you download the Aiper app, which I've done already. Okay, now as far as anything else goes, you and I are going to do this together. Right now it says disconnected, but there is the Seagull in the list when I click Bluetooth, and look at that, it connected right away. So that's pretty nice. And it says my battery is 100%. And let's click this button here. So here's, it's on, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's not sunny, but so there's, in manual mode right here, it has a like a thing, and I don't know if we're in manual mode, but you know, if it just, let's just try pushing the button. Oh, look at that. Oh dude. Okay, I'm gonna turn it this way now. Let's push and hold. Oh my god, this works. It goes where you tell it to go. Okay, so that is cool. Yeah. Oh, there's something big out there. Anyway, look at that. So then we just push this way, it turns. We can turn it. Yeah. And then forward again. Okay, so that is really, really cool. You can just sit there and steer it and turning it left, So if there's something in the pool that you really want to get, you just go into manual mode and drive it around. That is absolutely amazing. You know, I was thinking maybe I was going to show this to E and let him do it, but you know, he'd be sitting out here playing with the dang thing forever. Actually, that's a good thing though, right? Because then he would vacuum the pool. Well, E is doing schoolwork right now, so I don't know, maybe I'm gonna go get him because this thing's cool. I want him to drive it around a little bit. I can't even tell you how cool that is. So you got like a dirty spot in the pool, you just drive it around. That is insane. Look, so I just went over like a leaf, and of course it sucks it right up. So I wonder how we go to no longer in manual. Let's see what happens. If I click it off, let's see if it, what it does here. Or maybe it's this button. Oh, here you can change the, I think it's still on manual. Let's see if it stops. On manual here. I'm guessing no. Yeah, we gotta take it off. Okay. Oops. Okay. Let's just pause it for now. Okay. So we come back over here and to this front page, and you pull floor. It gives you all the options and stuff. Actually, let's get it off the step. Actually, I wanted to clean this step. Let's see if we can. There it goes. Oh. Okay. That's on. Well, off the step it goes. Okay. I mean, so actually that's cool, because if you need the steps to be clean, that's a good way to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it and then it stops, right? And then we go into the main screen and pool floor, the wall. It gives you a lot more options. Let's just hit pool floor and hit start cleaning, and yeah, and now it says stop cleaning. So this is a really nice app. It's real simple, and you know, it works good. I think maybe I have to turn it off pause. Oh, there we go. Okay, so okay, and there it goes. Alright, so that's real cool. Also, you know, something I just wanted to point out, because you say, well, what if it stops in the middle of the pool? How do you get the battery? Well, it has a system where it parks. So when the battery gets low, before it turns off, it always will go next to the edge of the pool, and it parks. So the battery will always be near the pool where you can grab it and pull the unit out. So that's a real nice feature. Look, I mean, I said it before in the video. I don't know if you guys have gotten this far. I made it kind of a little bit of a long video, but this is an extremely nice unit, and I've been using it now a week or 2 weeks or so, and it really friggin' cleans the pool good. It's nice. I like it a lot. This is awesome. God, look at all the fish. What are they doing out there? Can you guys see that? I don't know if you can see it with this camera, but there's a whole mess of fish in the middle of the lake doing all kinds of weird stuff. There must be something big in there chasing them. It's the only thing I can think of. I should get the big camera and zoom in over there and see if I can get eyes, or the drone, and see if I can get eyes on what's doing. Because usually they don't surface like that unless there's some kind of stuff going on. That's neat. Okay, enough. I'll talk to you guys later on the next one. I want to see what's doing with them fish.